Well, hi everybody. I hope you all survived the Arctic blast. Man, wasn't that something? I know here down at the lake we had cold that we've never had before. I've never seen before since I've been living in Texas. And unfortunately there's been a lot of damage. A lot of people had frozen pipes, were without power, without water for that entire week. It's just been really, really bad, and I really feel sorry for a lot of those folks and everything they've gone through. So I hope all's well. I hope everybody else is doing well. I know for myself, I had a bunch of frozen pipes under my house. Never dreamed I'd have them, but again, I've had them. So let's get back on this project, and it's Michael's project. And now we're at the stage where they're going to start doing the weld ups, putting the framing around for the upper deck. And let's take a look at that, because it's, even though we didn't get anything done last week in the blizzard, freeze, ice and snow, they did get started on it this week. So let's take a look and see what the progress is. Okay, now you can see, if you'll remember from the previous videos where they had just the bottom done, had put in the pipes and had the outside frames. Well, now they've done what we call the weld ups. And the weld ups are the extensions of those pipes that they put in the lake. They've gotten that done, and now you can see more of the outline of the boathouse. You can see where you're going to have a covered deck area right there. Over there you can see where the boat slip is, and then back over here you can see where the wave runner lift is. Now what they're doing now is, you'll see all this angle iron at the top. All that's welded in place. That ties everything together. So it's tied together at the top, and it's tied together at the bottom where the bracing goes around for the deck. Now, in the olden days, they would just use wood for that bracing at the top. Well, now they use angle iron. That is really, really rigid, and that'll help, because this is going to have a sun deck on top of it. So it's going to be pretty cool. So I believe the next step is that they're going to paint. They'll do all the painting they need to do for the piping and for the angle iron at the top. They also have to go around and finish. They just tack weld the bottom until they get everything the way they need it and get it square, and then they'll come back and re-weld all that. So that's a long process in itself. But this gives you an idea of what it looks like. We'll come back and take a look when they start getting some decking on here, okay? Y'all have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button. All right? Enjoy. Bye-bye.